Sage Evolution Intelligence Reporting, Reporting Trees. This video shows how you can use Sage Intelligence Reporting Trees functionality to organize, filter, and analyze your financial report layouts. Although you can create financial reports without the aid of a reporting tree, the reporting tree allows you to model a very sophisticated reporting structure and view your organization in many different ways at the click of a button. Each reporting tree contains a group of reporting units. Sage Intelligence Reporting allows you to easily add or change reporting units without requiring a change to your financial data. Some ERPs, which have segmented general ledgers, support a variety of account segment separators. The new Report Designer has been extended to support the following account separators, allowing for more consistent experience when reporting in Excel. So if you use any of these segment separators to define the different segments within your accounts, you will be able to use these in the new Financial Report Designer. After you have set up a financial layout in Excel using the Report Designer, you can then use reporting trees to further analyze and filter the data that you have in your layout. For example, in this current layout by GL category code, we were looking at the different GL categories for the entire organization. However, you can set up reporting trees that you can use to then filter this summary by account type further. To set up your reporting trees, go to the task pane and select Trees. Here you'll have a listing of the trees that already exist. If you want to add or edit any existing trees, select Manage. To set up a tree, select Add. I'm going to edit the existing tree to show you how to set a tree up. You select from the drop-down the company filter that you're looking at. You then give the name to that specific reporting unit. For example, in this case, I've typed out HQ. You then need to define the account filter rule. In this case, I've applied the account filter that will place any accounts that have 4 characters at the beginning will all fall into headquarters. You can see in the reporting tree unit preview that all the accounts for this company fall into this particular category. You can then go further depending on how you've set up your account filters and segments, define divisions, regions, departments. For example, in this case, I've got 3 divisions, and these are defined by the second segment of my account filter, 001, 002, and 003. If you have further segments and further separators, you can then add those additional count filter rules to define your different reporting units. Once you've set up your reporting units, you can then add them to the correct hierarchy. For example, I can move Division 3 to be a child or a reporting unit of Division 1 by simply dragging it onto Division 1. You can see Division 3 is now a reporting unit of Division 1. Division 1 and Division 2 in turn fall under headquarters. So you can set up your account filters, give them names, and then further use the reporting tree units on the right hand side to define the hierarchy. Once you've set up your reporting trees, you simply select Apply, select OK, and this is now a tree that you can use to filter your different layouts in your report designer, be they balance sheets, income statements, trial balances, or cash flows. In this particular layout, we have a layout representing our account summary by GL category code. From the previous video, we set up the function for GL actual year to date, and if you open up that function argument, you can see the different options that are available when setting up that argument. The one argument that we did not fill in was the reporting tree unit. I have made a place for it in the actual layout, but I have not yet referenced that cell. So we can now reference that blank cell and apply absolute referencing. Select OK. If I have a look at this formula now, you can see that it is referencing that reporting unit cell, so all that's really left to do is drag any trees that I've set up into that cell, and that should dynamically change the information in this layout. Before doing that, ensure that all the cells below that have that new updated formula. Just check on the other cells and see that they have now adapted that by just using autofill in Microsoft Excel. So once you've set up that reference, you can go across to your trees again, select the tree we've just looked at, and you can have a look at the tree there, headquarters and my 3 divisions. I can then drag that, select division 1, and drag the cursor into that cell that I'm referencing for reporting trees. Notice the figures have now changed to represent just division 1's information by GL category code. I can drag in division 3 in the same way and drag the division 3 into that cell, and the information will change dynamically, all being pulled through and calculated via that in-memory database. So reporting trees can be used to do side-by-side reporting. You can have your different divisions side by side, or you can use them to analyze your reports and filter the data in a report on the fly. The next video will include details of how you can use Sage Intelligence reporting to drill down to transactions from within the Financial Report Designer.